Hello guys, I Ashi from LU Update. For today, our topic is bank. Okay, as we all know that bank is a financial institute which provides the loan and accept the deposit from the customer. Normally, that is the simple definition of the bank. But the world, we have to understand the world from where the bank word has originated. The World Bank has been originated from Italy, okay, and it has been derived from the banco. Banco means a bench. Before the independence, there was a Jew money lender who used to transact their business sitting on the bench at a different market prices and gives the loan or accept the deposit from the customer who are in the need of the money and who want to deposit their money. Okay, and then there is a history of the banker in pre-independence. Okay, there are the 5 phases. First phase started from 17 to 70 and ended at 1806. In this, there was a first bank was founded, that is a Bank of Hindustan. There is a first bank that is founded in 1770 and by the MS Alexander company. It was founded by the MS Alexander company but failed. But this was failed in 1831 to 32 में क्या हुआ था, बैंक failed हो गया था. Okay, then it was a first bank, that is a Bank of Hindustan. Okay, and time period is 70 to 70 to 1806. Okay, and then there is a second phase. Second phase was started from 1806 to 1860. Okay, and in this there is a Presidency Bank. प्रेसिडेंसी बैंक था. क्या हुआ था इन 1809 में, क्या हुआ था कि प्रेसिडेंसी बैंक क्या हुआ था कि ऑफ द बंगाल. In this, the Presidency Bank was found with the help of 3 banks. First is a Bank of Madras, second is a Bank of Kolkata, and third is a Bank of Bengal. Okay, क्या हुआ था कि ये 3 बैंकों से मिलके प्रेसिडेंसी बैंक बना था. तो क्या हुआ था इन 1806 में क्या हुआ था कि बैंक ऑफ कैलकाटा फाउंड हुआ था. ओके, एंड बट इन 1809 में क्या हुआ था, इसका नेम चेंज होके बैंक ऑफ बंगाल हो गया था, बैंक ऑफ बंगाल. ओके, एंड इन 1840 में बैंक ऑफ बॉम्बे फाउंड हुआ था. एंड देन देयर इज इन 1843 में बैंक ऑफ मद्रास. ओके, ये 3 बैंक्स ऐसी थी जिसने तीनों बैंक मिलके एक बैंक बनाती थी, मतलब एक इंपीरियल बैंक बनता था, प्रेसिडेंसी बैंक बनता था. ओके, द प्रेसिडेंसी बैंक वाज द फर्स्ट नोट इशूइंग बैंक. ओके, एंड देन दिस कन्वर्टेड इनटू द इंपीरियल बैंक में कन्वर्ट हो गया था तीनों बैंक. इंपीरियल बैंक विच वाज फाउंडेड इन 1921 में ये तीनों बैंक एज अ इंपीरियल बैंक वो ट्रीट किए गए थे. देन देयर इज अ इंपीरियल बैंक as we know, and then there is an imperial bank then converted into the State Bank of India. State Bank पे कब कन्वर्ट हुआ था, इन 1 जुलाई 1955 में. ओके, विद द हेल्प ऑफ A.D. गोरेवाला कमेटी के साथ इन लोगों ने स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया फाउंड किया था. ओके, so as we all know that State Bank of India Act is 1955. Okay, and then there is a third phase. Third phase started from 1860 to 1931. ओके, इसमें क्या हुआ था कि बहुत सारे बैंक्स आए थे. पहला बैंक जो था सबसे ओल्डेस्ट बैंक, वी नो इट द बैंक ऑफ Allahabad. Bank of Allahabad was found in 1865. It was the oldest commercial bank of India. Okay, and it was a first joint stock bank tha, and it is founded by the Europeans. Okay, and till today it is working, as we all know. Okay, Bank of Allahabad. And second bank was found in 1881. In 1881 was a Awadh Commercial Bank. Awadh Commercial Bank is situated in Faizabad, and it was the first bank that is managed by the Indian. okay, managed by the Indian. And then there's a third bank, is a PNB. PNB is a Punjab National Bank, which was founded in 1894, and it was completely first bank in the hands of an Indian, situated in Lahore, okay, purely in the hands of India, okay. And then there is another bank, that is a Bank of India, that was founded in 1906. And then in 1908 the Bank of Bengal found. And then in 1911 the Central Bank of India was found. It was a commercial bank. Swadeshi movement was launched in 80, as we all know that in 1911 में स्वदेशी movement भी launched हुआ था. And then there is a first ingredient Bank of India, that is a Central Bank of India, okay. And there are so many banks that are found in third phase. And the last bank is that 1913 में बैंक हुआ था Bank of Mexico, okay. And then there is normally, as we all know that there is a fourth phase. In this phase there is an inspection committee of the central bank that was established in 1930 में हुआ था. हम लोग जानते हैं कि establish क्या सेंट्रल बैंक ऑफ इंडिया कब हुआ था, 1913 में, बट established कब हुआ था, in 1934 में. And the Reserve Bank of India comes in the existence in 1st April 1935, okay. And then there is a 5 associates bank of SBI, State Bank of India. Basically there are 8 before the associate bank. There was a 8 bank of state. SBI के 8 banks थे, but there is a association, there is a merger of the bank. And then there is a 5 associates bank, that is a Bank of Hyderabad, Bank of Jaipur, Bank of Jaipur, and Bikaner, Bank of Patiala, Bank of Tiricode, and Bank of Mexico, okay. These are the 5 banks. As we all know there are 8 banks. कौन से, 2 और banks, 3 और banks थे. That is a banks of Swaraj, that and then there is a bank of Indore, and Swaraj and Indore, and Bank of Mexico. क्या हुआ था कि in 1863 में क्या हुआ था, ड्यू टू द फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम की वजह से क्या होता है, स्टेट बैंक ऑफ जयपुर एंड स्टेट बैंक ऑफ बिकनर वाज मर्ज्ड इनटू अ न्यू बैंक इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्टेट बैंक ऑफ जयपुर और बिकनर में मर्ज्ड हो गए थे. एंड देन देयर इज इन 1808 मतलब 2008 में क्या हुआ था कि ड्यू टू द फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम की वजह से बैंक ऑफ स्वराज भी क्या हुआ था, मर्ज हो गया था स्टेट बैंक में. एंड 2010 में क्या हुआ था, बैंक ऑफ इंदौर भी मर्ज हो गया था स्टेट बैंक में, ओके. एंड ऑल दीज 5 बैंक्स, जो अब बैंक्स बचे थे, क्या हुए थे कि मर्ज इनटू द स्टेट बैंक इन 2017 1 अप्रैल को. ये सारे 5 बैंक एसोसिएट्स बैंक क्या हुए थे, मर्ज हो गए थे इन स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया में. सो नाउ इन प्रेजेंट देयर इज नो एसोसिएट बैंक, ओके, एग्जिस्ट. एंड देन देयर इज अ स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ बैंक इन इंडिया. बेसिकली क्या होता है कि बैंक जो थे वो 2 टाइप्स, स्ट्रक्चर इसके क्या 2 टाइप में थे, एक शेड्यूल बैंक एंड एक नॉन शेड्यूल बैंक था, ठीक है. शेड्यूल्ड बैंक क्या था कि शेड्यूल बैंक इन इंडिया refers to those bank which has been included in 2 schedule of RBI 1934, and there is a minimum paid up capital for scheduled bank is 5 lakh, okay, and it does not harm the interest of the depositor, okay. And then there is a scheduled bank क्या होते हैं, 2 parts में divided थे, that is a commercial bank and second is a non commercial bank. कमर्शियल बैंक क्या होते हैं कि कमर्शियल बैंक इज अ टाइप ऑफ अ बैंक दैट प्रोवाइड्स द सर्विसेज सच एज एक्सेप्टिंग द डिपॉजिट, मेकिंग द बिजनेस लोन एक्सेट्रा. दिस दे प्रोवाइड्स सर्विसेज टू देयर कस्टमर. And then there is a second that commercial bank are those that focuses on earning the profit rather than the customer satisfaction. They focuses on the profit, earning the profit, to get the profit. Okay. And then there is a commercial bank. Commercial bank are divided into two, that is a domestic bank and foreign bank. Domestic bank क्या होते हैं? Domestic bank are those bank that operate within the country, जो हम लोग के कंट्री के विद इन दी इंडिया जो ऑपरेट क्या कहते हैं, वर्क फंक्शन कर रहे हैं बैंक, वो हम लोग के डोमेस्टिक बैंक्स कहलाते हैं. Then there is a further distribution of a domestic banks into two, that is a private bank and public bank or government bank. Public bank or government bank are the major types of a bank in India where the majority, इसमें क्या होती है, स्टेक क्या होते हैं, मोर देन 50% इज हेल्ड बाय द गवर्नमेंट. मोर देन 50%, ओके, इज हेल्ड बाय द गवर्नमेंट होता है. दीज शेयर्स आर लिस्टेड ऑन द स्टॉक मार्केट, एक्सचेंज में भी लिस्टेड होती हैं. ओके. एंड देन देयर इज एग्जांपल्स ऑफ अ पब्लिक बैंक और गवर्नमेंट बैंक इज SBI, as we know, State Bank of India, Nationalized Bank, and RRB. RRB is a regional bank of India, regional rural bank. Okay. And then there's a private bank. Private banks are owned either by the individual or by the general partners. Okay. And these banks focuses on providing the services to their customers in best possible way. Okay. And then there is a government, in this there is a government stake is less than 10% hota hai. And there are the more examples of a public private banks is SBI, HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, Yes Bank. These are the private banks. Okay. And then there's as we have tell that the scheduled bank are divided into two, that's a commercial and non-commercial. Non-commercial क्या होते हैं? Non-commercial bank is a type of a bank that provides limited services to their clients or to their customers. And the main aim or the objective of these bank is not to earn a profit, not focuses on earning the profit, but delivering the development opportunity to their customer, to their peoples, to their clients. Okay. And then these non-commercial bank are subdivided into three, that is NABARDs. NABARDs, the full form of NABARD is a National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. As we all know that it is a epic development financial institute in India that was founded in 12 July 1982. 12 July 1982 में फाउंड हुआ था, established हुआ था, and their headquarter is in Mumbai. And this NABARD focuses on providing and regulating the credits and other facilities for the development of the agriculture sector, small scale industry and cottages. इन सब पे क्या होता है कि वो क्रेडिट फैसिलिटीज़ प्रोवाइड करते हैं और अदर जितनी भी पॉसिबल फैसिलिटीज़ जो नाबार्ड प्रोवाइड कर सकती है वो प्रोवाइड करती है टू द एग्रीकल्चर, फॉर द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर, स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्री, कॉटेजेस, इन सबको क्या करती है, डेवलप करने पे फोकस करती है. इसका प्राइमरी ऑब्जेक्टिव यही होता है. एंड सेकेंड होता है कि रिड्यूस द पॉवर्टी इन इंडिया. ओके. And then there's a second non-commercial bank is SIDBI. SIDBI is a Small Industrial Development Bank of India. SIDBI is a Small Industrial Bank Development Bank of India. It was a financial institute for developing and financing micro, small and medium enterprises sectors को ये help provide, मतलब financial, मतलब अपनी facilities provide करते हैं. Okay. And it was founded in 2nd April 1990. Okay. And the headquarter is in Mumbai. And the main purpose is for the development of the small scale industry. Okay. And then there is a third is a non-commercial bank is a ECG. ECG stands for Export Credit Guarantee Corporation of India. देखिए क्या होता है ECG. ECG is Export Credit Guarantee Corporation of India was founded on 30 July 1957. It is issued by Indian government for offering a credit risk insurance. This is wholly issued, it is wholly owned by the Indian government for offering a credit risk insurance. And then there is a ECG of India offer a protection against the non-payment of the importers. Okay, and their headquarter was in Mumbai. Okay, and the main function is of ECG is to encourage and facilitate the globalization of Indian trade. ओके, इंटरनेशनल में क्या होना, उसके ट्रेड को बढ़ावा देती है ये. उसके सेकेंड इसका फंक्शन होता है कि इट्स ऑफर टू ऑफरिंग अ ओवरसी इन्वेस्टमेंट इंश्योरेंस टू द इंडियन कॉर्पोरेशन इन्वेस्टिंग इन अ जॉइंट वेंचर में. एंड देन थर्ड फंक्शन इज द क्रेडिट रिस्क इंश्योरेंस कवर्स एक्सपोर्टर लॉस ऑफ गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज. जो एक्सपोर्टर होते हैं, जो वो लॉसेस इंकर्ड करते हैं, फेस आउट करते हैं, वो कौन क्या कहती है, ECG उसको कवर आउट करती है इन ऑन द बिहाफ ऑफ इम्पोर्टर्स के. Okay, and then there is a non-scheduled bank. Non-scheduled banks are divided into two. First is a non-banking financial corporation, and second is a financial institutes. Okay, and then there is a next is a first nationalization of a bank in India. Is established. First nationalization of a bank is in India in 19 July 1969 में हुआ था. And the capital for this bank was 50 crore. Okay, and the prime minister for in that first nationalization bank was Indira Gandhi, and there is a number 14 number of the banks were presented. Okay, and then there is a second nationalization of bank was founded in 15th April 1980 में हुआ था. And there was a minimum that is a maximum capital was 200 crores, and the number of the bank was 6. Okay, and then there is a new Bank of India that was merged with PNB. PNB के साथ जो merged हुआ था is on 14 September 1993 में. Okay, and then there is a 19 international banks हैं. 19 international banks was in India. ठीक है, international banks हैं. Nationalized banks, there are the 19 nationalization banks हैं. That is a Bank of Maharashtra, Bank of India, Bank of Baroda, Canara Bank, Central Bank, Cooperative Bank, UCO Bank, United Bank, Union Bank of India, PNB, Punjab National Bank, Allahabad Bank, Andhra Bank, Vijaya Bank, Indian Overseas Bank, Indian Bank, Dena Bank, Sindri Bank, New Bank of India. These are the banks. These are the 19 nationalized banks थे. Okay, in India. Then there is a headquarter. We all know that the headquarter of Bank of India is in Mumbai. Central Bank headquarter is also in Mumbai. Union Bank, UCO Bank, Dena Bank, RBI, SBI, SEBIs, HDFC, IFC, IDBI, IDFC, Exim Bank. These banks headquarter is in Mumbai. Whereas PNB Bank headquarter in Delhi. Okay, Kolkata as Allahabad Bank, UCO Bank, Bandhan Bank headquarter was on Kolkata, located in. And then there is a Indian Bank, Indian Overseas Bank headquarter is in Chennai. Okay, and then there is a Vijaya Bank. Vijaya Bank headquarter was in Bangalore. Andhra Bank headquarter was in Hyderabad. Okay, Bank of Maharashtra headquarter is in Pune. Okay, and then there is a next is RRB. RRB क्या होता है? Regional Rural Bank. Regional Rural Bank क्या होते हैं? Are the Indian scheduled commercial bank operating at a regional level. रीजनल लेवल पे ऑपरेट करते हैं एट अ डिफरेंट स्टेट ऑफ India, and it was founded in 2 October 1975. Established हुआ था RRB बैंक. Okay, and the owner of this bank is the government of India, sponsored bank or the state bank of India होता है, and their headquarter was in India. And the main functioning of RRB is that it's providing a banking facility to the rural as well as the semi urban areas को provide करती है. And then second, it helps the small financial bank को भी help provide करती है, facilities provide करती है for the development. And then there is the last function of the RRB is that it's providing a para banking facilities such as the locker facilities provided to their customers, to their clients, providing a debit and credit cards facilities, mobile facilities, internet bankings, UPI, etc. This provide this functioning, they provide these facilities to their customer. Okay, thank you. That is for all today, and if you want a more, then subscribe our channel, drop a thumb button. Okay, bye. Thank you.